Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Approach S50 and I'm gonna show you how to pause the workout on this watch. So first let me start the workout so you can have one going. Okay, and the workout is on, and as you can see we have the timer and it's basically going. So let's say you have the workout going and you want to pause it. Maybe you want to do something else in the meantime. To pause the workout, press the upper button and the workout will be paused. And that's how the pause menu looks like. We have basically the stats of our workout. We have the bin icon and checkmark icon. Basically, if you tap on one of those, it will stop the workout. And depending on which option you choose, it will either save the workout or discard it. And if you want to continue the workout, unpause it, you can press the upper button to unpause the workout and it will still go from the, it will basically resume from the place you paused it. Okay, and that's how you pause the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.